Would you or someone you know like to improve their drum set playing? My name is Matthew Hodgins, and my drum set lessons are taught really to any age, ability, or experience level. I teach stick and pedal control, speed and maneuverability, I teach the progressive method of rudiments, arm strokes, and multi-limb coordination. I teach double bass drum technique, and included in my lessons are classical snare drum and ethnic percussion components. All of these inspirational tasks are tailored to you, the student, and proven to develop your strengths on the drum set. I always have time to take questions or inquiries, so please see my contact details on this page, and by all means email me or give me a call.
Talking so sweet, well you need it. You say you won't cheat, well you need it. You're tapping your feet, well you need it. It's over now, it's over now. You're dressing with class, well you need it. You're holding your sass, well you need it. You think you're a gas, well you need it. It's over now, it's over now. It's over now, it's over now. You had your fun, so take a bow.